What is up, ValiFires? Yes, we did it. We finally done something that's really pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie. All right. Might be a biased opinion because I'm part of ValiFi team, but I think we did something really remarkable. What we've done is you create a raffle. So, we all know we got this beautiful marketplace laid out here where you can buy your own yield keys on here. Right now, it's just the legendary yield keys. Eventually, you can be having the common, the rare, and the epic on here as well, the 4, 6, and 8. But right now, we got the 12s on here, the legendary yield keys. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is we're going to be talking about the raffle. The raffle. All right, first of all, these were just some just some testing ones when we were uploading everything on here. But this is the raffle. And something that's really cool about these raffles that we're going to be doing is we're going to be trying to do weekly raffles, maybe 1 to 2 a week. And how it's going to work is either we're going to raffle off a yield key or we're going to be raffling off just cash, USDC. So what's really great about this is one very important thing. What ValiFi is going to start to do is we're going to start to buy off the floor. We're going to sweep the floor. ValiFi is going to start to sweep the floor of yield keys. Okay. And I'm not saying we're going to be purchasing 10, 20 at a time. We're going to be purchasing as much as the raffle produces for us. So this raffle over here, let's check this out. Right now, this raffle costs $2 for a ticket. It's going to be ending this Saturday, but depending on when this comes out, I don't know. But it costs $2 to enter. There's going to be 2,000 tickets. So what that pretty much means is 2,000 times 2 is around 4 Gs. So what we can do with that money, that 4 Gs that ValiFi has earned from this raffle, minus the price of the yield key, of course, is what we can do is we can purchase maybe, let's say each yield key right now is like $500. Let's say we have 4 Gs. Maybe we purchase 3 to 4 yield keys and use the other $2,000. Well, really 1,500 minus the price of the yield key, and we can use that, and that can go directly into the treasury. So what we're actually doing here is, first, we're producing income for the treasury. Second, we are allowing some lucky winners to win some yield keys, which is actually a really cool concept. And third of all is what my favorite, and I think everybody's not really going to like this, is we are actively increasing the floor price per yield key, which I think is remarkable. Okay, so let me show you how it works. And matter of fact, it's actually quite simple. Right now, I don't have any USDC. Oh, I do have $3. Let me show you with this one. I already bought 8 tickets, as you can see over here. But right now, I can buy 1 ticket because the ticket price is $2. Okay, and when we're on NFT, which is the yield key, ending at this time, tickets sold so far is 549, 2,000 tickets total. Tickets purchased is 8. Okay, so how to purchase a yield key raffle ticket. Let's show you. All you're gonna do is press purchase. All right. So if you haven't gone onto the site yet, what's probably gonna happen is if you don't see this number over here, your wallet address, is you're probably there's gonna be a button that pops up saying approve. So over here saying approve. So how that just changed right there? It's not gonna share right now, but over here says approve right there. That's probably gonna pop up if you've never been on the site before. But if you've been on the site before and you've approved the contract already, which is I think you pay like 50 cents in gas to be able to approve a contract on the Avalanche network here. Once you've done that, all you gotta do is click purchase. And now it's very, very simple. You have to have USDC.E on your wallet. If you don't already have USDC.E, what you can just do is go over here. I don't have enough to make more, but you can just do this, swap. Let's say we go here, 0.1, which $7, and you change it over to USDC. USDC. .e. All right, so we don't have it there. So what you can get it there. Well, actually, no, you need USDC.e. My apologies. So what I would just do, Joe.xyz. That's where I would just go. Let me pause this video while I get to the site. So what I typically do, by the way, to get into exchanges and other things is I like to go to CoinMarketCap first, look up Trader Joe, then click their website from there, just so I ensure that I don't get like a fake site, So I go over here, go to trade, and what we can do is go over here, make sure this is USDC.E, bam, and you swap over the AVAX to USDC.E. That's how you get it from, oops, move my face back up here. That's how you get it from the actual AVAX or whatever you have. But this is how I do it, because there's a difference between USDC.E and USDC without the .E, you know? See, there's two different things. But yeah, so let me continue. Once you have a couple of USDC.E, a couple bucks right there, go over here to purchase. And I'm just going to buy one for now because, as you can see right now, I only have, I only have like $3 here. So I'm just going to buy one just to show how it works and the ease of use. So quantity one, which makes it $2. As you can see, as it increases, it's going to increase the price. I'm going to buy one. Press purchase. Accept the contract. Pay a little gas fee, which is probably 50 cents or something like that. And bam, purchase one tickets. Let this refresh. Sometimes what you have to do, wait for this to kind of like refresh, is you might need to actually refresh the screen so that A turns into like a 9. And then as soon as it turns to 9, like you got your tickets. That was really easy. So as you can see, maybe it took like 5 seconds for it to kind of just go through real quick. And all I did was refresh the actual screen, which I don't know. Sometimes you need to refresh the screen. Sometimes you don't need to refresh the screen. Kind of just depends. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Another thing I kind of want to note real quick, guys, is if you're on the actual ValiFi Discord, okay, if you're actually on the ValiFi Discord, what we've done is we've opened up another thing over here under support, ticket submission, where you can create a ticket over here. And what this ticket would do is we create a ticket, and I think the tickets are like over here. You create a ticket for the actual support team, the mods, supervisor, or even a core team member to respond to that to help you. So if you guys are having trouble with some technicalities on the website, or something's not working, or you're just confused on something, or whatever it is, I encourage you to open up a ticket on the ValiFi Discord so that we can help you guys out. All right, we work for you. That's how it goes, you know. But yeah, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. It was just a quick little update on the ValiFi Raffle, why we did it, why we've done it, and how to use it. I want to thank you guys for watching as always, and see you guys at the top. Oh, the top right there. Peace out, guys. Enjoy.